Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel at SallA Tourist. So today I want to show you how my day at SallA Tourist is. A very busy day as today right now at our oldest lady's house, elderly lady's house. Here we are, and yeah, this is the sand that we still have. I think we'll have to get maybe a half of the truck to finish the house, and yeah, this is how my day starts checking on the bricks. Just right here, these are the bricks. These are the bricks that we have, and yeah, of course we have to bring more, which is still okay because the house is going up faster. And yeah, so this is how my day is. Check on the things, look what we still need, and go see how the cooking is taking place and everything, you know. And of course I have to always have on my mask on, but I don't know if you can hear me. But anyway, I wanted to just feel like my mask have to be on. I'm always wearing my mask because right now COVID is real, and yeah, we have come to prove it. Last time it wasn't here and there. We were not accepting it, but right now we have come to realize it's real, so we have to protect ourselves. And yeah, this is the next time we have. These are the bricks. We still have some bricks here and there, and yeah, this is where we are. Of course I have to check in, greet my viewers. I say hi to everyone. As you can see, this will be the room, the sitting room, and then another room, just like that. Hey, okay, watch it. What do you want? Huh? What's it? Hey, okay, watch it. Good morning. Hey. Mama wangu. So guys, this is the process, and yeah, we want to see what they are going to do next. Right now they are going to go up. Yeah, as you can see here, yeah, everything is pretty good. So right now I'm going to town, do shows, do some shopping. And guys, guess what? I just want you to comment down below. I'm buying these things for what? Just comment down below. I just want to know your response, and I'm super excited about this project. I'm really grateful for those who are supporting this lady's house. And guys, we still have a lot: the iron sheets, the nails, the timber, you know. So please, if you can contribute $1, $2, it would be really great to help this lady. She'll need the plates, you'll need maybe a near like a bathroom, because see her bathroom right now, it's really so she would need a smoker bathroom here in the behind. I checked the toilet is okay, but yeah, we will still need to build it just there. Maybe we'll show them the toilet. So guys, we are going to show them the toilet, and yeah, it's here. Maybe we need to get some concrete. Yeah, the toilet just like that. I'm happy that she had a toilet, because I have seen so many people in my village, they don't have toilets in their house, but I'm just happy that she had one, which is shows cleanliness. Yeah, anyway, thank you so much. See me in town, and yeah, ciao. So hey my beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my channel at SallA Tourist. I'm very excited to be here with you, and guys, I printed a t-shirt. How am I looking? I'm just feeling it. I'm looking so nice. Yeah. Yeah, so thank you so much for clicking. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. If you're my beautiful returning subscriber, yeah, Allah, thank you so much for coming back. And guys, call a friend, so that a friend can call a friend. Come and join in. This is going to be exciting. I'm just going to take you a life as SallA Tourist, how my life really looks like, how it goes, and you know, yeah, bring for me the shoes. So yeah, I'm going to wear the shoes. Yeah, but later when I'm going. So right now I have prepared everything. Everything is in my bag, and I'm going out. I'm going to show you how my day really looks as SallA Tourist. Yeah. Anyways, we are going to Uganda right now, and To be precise, we are in a lockdown, no taxis, no what, so we are going to get a border, and yeah, we want to find out that fixed price because the lights we wanted, they were not in Jinja, but they say they're in Iganga, and we have to go to Iganga and bring them, you know. So yeah. Anyways, let us go and do that. Oh yeah. Anyways, guys, let us go. By the way, don't forget to subscribe, share with a friend, and for all of those who have been donating, who have been supporting, commenting, guys, a big thank you. So hey guys, right now we are on the border. He's my brother, but you can't see him because he has the element. Yeah, he's lucky. You know, like if you don't have the element, they will arrest us. So yeah, we just decided to get an element and we are going to town. Anyways, taxis are not allowed to transport from different districts and the other districts in Jinja. So going to Iganga is very hard, you know, and what we want there in Iganga, and we have to can bring them because for the people, they afford to travel. So that's what we are going. I have my mask. I bought yesterday the sanitizer, and I'm okay to travel, you know, no problem. I'm going to keep myself safe because I know I have to do that, you know. Yeah, anyways, let us go to town. See us in time. So hey guys, right now we are shopping these lights. We are just from the Sun King. Is it called Sun King? Sun King, and they said they the lights were very expensive. We couldn't afford them, and we wanted to keep expensive of them, you know. So we just decided to go with these ones. They are really nice. They light from here, here, and then here. They are really, really good. You can put them in the sun and still charge them, which is okay. But yeah, so we have count 20 pieces. Here we were counting, and what I have seen, like you have to be checking these lights because you can find one when it's not working, like the one we found here. Like we checked, and again we found one which wasn't really working. So if you want to go to buy the lights, please first check them, see if they are lighting, the lighting is proper, and if everything is inside, and then take it home. Yes. See? Yeah. So this one is okay. It is classic. Ano kay dama la kazi kule tena. Aya. So guys, yeah, someone sent me money for my grandpa's house. So as I was shopping these things, I just had to buy this radio for him. Yeah, yeah, and this is for my papa. That's it. Now the shop start. So hey, right now we are at the shop. We are shopping things, guys. Guys, thanks for what? Just guys, yeah, we are here. We have all of these ones. Maybe I'm going to start a shop. Yeah, like this. Our other clothes. We have soap. We have salt. We have the cooking oil, and then the beans and the clean beans. You can see. So here we are. It's a beautiful Saturday afternoon and everything is okay. Things okay. So please, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. If you're my beautiful returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And right now we are shopping things. So yeah, let us start bargaining, pay the money and see what will come next. See me home. Ciao. We just back. These are the things at home. So hey guys, I'm just back at home. Thank you so much for being here, for loving me, for checking, for subscribing. And yes guys, guess what are we going to have? Am I going to do a shop, or what am I going to use these things? Because there are so many and I just want you to tell me. Anyways, this is how my day is spent as SallA tourist. Yeah, but as SallA I wash clothes, I do dishes, I mop, you know, those things. But as SallA tourist, this my whole day how it went. Yeah, I just want to say thank you so much for coming, for loving, for checking. And yeah, it's really late. It's dark, and yeah, my lighting is not that perfect. So anyways, this is SallA tourist. Thank you so much for coming, and guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Love you all. Bye bye.